Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add photo on MeetMe. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MeetMe application. Here, click on your profile in the top right corner. Click on Add Photo option. Then tap on OK button. Here, you'll have to allow MeetMe to access photos and media on your device. So tap on Allow button. Here, select a photo. So that is how you can add photo on MeetMe application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.